Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, enterprise sales teams need intelligent, adaptive CRM systems. Pega Sales Tools are built for complex, high-value sales environments. Let's break it down. Pega Sales Tools combine CRM, AI decisioning, and workflow automation to guide sales reps through every stage of the deal. It helps prioritize opportunities, recommend next specs as drones, and manage enterprise-level sales processes with precision. Designed for large organizations, Pega focuses on flexibility, compliance, and data-driven selling at scale. Pega Sales Tools help enterprises sell smarter with AI-driven guidance and control. If you're an enterprise looking for an advanced CRM in 2025, Pega Sales Tools deliver intelligence, automation, and scalable sales execution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.